Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to zoom in and out video clip in Movavi. Select your video clip on the timeline, click the More button, then under Video Editing, select Pan and Zoom. Drag the zoom in effect onto your video clip on the timeline. Position it to where you want to zoom to start. Drag the arrow between two circles keyframes to reposition the zoom if needed. Double-click the second keyframe, display inner rectangle repositioning the zoom-in portion. Drag the inside rectangle to change the zoom area. Now drag the corner handles to adjust zoom level. Drag the zoom out effect to where you want to start zooming your clip back out. Now double-click the third keyframe to view its rectangle into video preview. Adjust rectangle corners handle to match the original zoom direction. Double-click the fourth keyframe to change how it zooms out. Drag rectangles handles to match the original frame of video. Play the video to check zoom in and out effect. Adjust duration of the hold by dragging the third keyframe. You can make any additional adjustment as needed to achieve desired zoom in effect. And that will be it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.